Okay, just need to film this. Can you see? Hank needs some love. So pretty. I don't know if you can see like the snow. Oh, you need to go for a walk or something? I tried to talk him into coming with me to go into the city. He said no. You prefer staying out here? We'll go for a walk. Walking with a little pup trying to herd me. We had some freezing rain that turned into snow and kind of sleet, but it's supposed to get warm again today, so hopefully that will melt. We'll open the door for the chickens. I didn't bring them their food though, so they're gonna be grouchy about that. Just giving you some fresh air. We'll come back later. Yeah, look at you, so brave. Hey, don't jump. Coming all the way up. It's a little bit hard to walk when you're just, hey, no bites. Hank. Found something? Little root? Come on, Hank. Getting quite a bit of white though. Ooh. Don't know if you can see it. Okay, let's keep walking. He doesn't like driving in the car, so we haven't been doing leash walks recently, but we'll have to start again. Work on the driving, right, Hank? Growing so much. You just keep growing. I'm trying to show your hey, Hank. Trying to show your white hair. Is that rude apparently? That's cute. You got a cute little trot. Keep going. You go. I'll follow you. You're gonna walk? See if this is not soon. It's supposed to go up to +5. What, you thought you saw something? I think we're good. I think we're good to keep walking. You're very cute. What? We're gonna walk? Don't jump, please. Walk. Okay, keep going. You got cute snow on you. Snow on your snout. Okay, let's walk. A little bit deeper snow towards the back. I guess because it's in the shade. What do you smell? Probably deer. Quite a few deer paths here. Oh, it's pretty. Keep going. What? You're supposed to be leading the way, Hank. A bit snowier back here. Super pretty. You're so cute. Okay, there's fresh. What? There's fresh deer prints here. You're not scared, are you? And the neighbor's dog was barking. I think we're good. You checking things out? I think we're good to keep walking. You're good. You're gonna protect me, right? He's cute. Very, very cautious, right, Hank? Okay, don't know. Yeah, so it's either the neighbor's dogs or possibly coyotes have been here. What do you think, Hank? The snow is fresh, so someone's been here. What do we think? Could be coyotes. Seems clear now. So pretty. Sun is shining. Fresh snow. Did I scare you? Cute little ear. Let's walk. Keep going. We're good. You're good, Hank. A bit there. See if I can find some of the deer prints. Kind of walked a little bit. This is the deer trail we're walking on. It goes that way. Okay, you're gonna walk? I think we might have walked over top of them. Whoa, you are fast. Okay, let's go back. So pretty, Hank. Snow in his face. Shook most of it off. Can't even see your little face. You're so dark. Yeah, there we go. There's a deer print that we didn't walk over. Lots of deer trails here. He runs ahead, goes to the side, sits in the grass. You're hard to film. You're so black. There we go. Now he's... Hank, back this way. Over here. Come on. Over here. Come. Just listen. He gets super worked up. It's better than when he's sickly me and nipping at me. I'm not a cow, Hank.